everyone, it's Shivan K here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use flaxseed on my Forcey natural hair for hair growth. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. So to start off, I'm gonna be using organic flaxseed seeds, and I'm gonna be measuring 2/3 of a cup of the seeds and dumping it straight into the boiling water. And after that, I'm gonna let the seeds boil in the water completely until they're nice and thick, because that's the consistency we are going for. And this is just me checking for the consistency. And when it's finally nice and thick, I'm gonna sieve it through a cheesecloth that I put over a mesh strainer. And I'm gonna be pouring the Flaxseed Gel directly onto it. And I thought that the cheesecloth would do a great job helping me sieve the seeds, but it actually got burnt and the seeds were coming straight through it. So that didn't help, but the mesh strainer helped. And this is how our gel is looking like, going through the mesh strainer. So right now I'm gonna wait for the gel to cool down completely before putting it in my application bottle. And as it cools down, you can see that it gets thicker and thicker. And for the application bottle, I'm gonna be using this root comb application bottle. It makes it really easy for me to apply such a gel onto my hair, given it's sticky and gooey. I'm going to be using my Flaxseed Gel as a deep conditioner treatment, because applying it to dry hair provides intense slip, which makes detangling significantly easier, reduces breakage, and softens the strands before cleansing. And the gel also soothes the scalp and infuses the hair with nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. And this is the hair we're working with. I haven't washed it in a month, and as you can see, it's so dry and tangled. I believe this was an old braid out, and as it got older and older, I got creative and did all these cute hairstyles, which explains a little twist on the front. But oh my gosh, it's so tangled. And after taking down those twists and before going in with my shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my hair with warm water. Saturating your natural hair with warm water first is very crucial because it lifts the hair cuticles, melts away the surface buildup, and provides necessary moisture to activate a rich shampoo lather while preventing friction and breakage. And after that, I'm going in with a generous amount of my Cantu Shea Butter Cleansing Shampoo, and I'm gonna be working it straight into my hair. And usually I've been sectioning my hair and washing it in twists, but this time I didn't want to over manipulate it because I've been manipulating it a lot in lots of different styles throughout the month. And also I have to detangle it using the Flaxseed Gel, so I thought I should just wash it as is. And I'm gonna be focusing so much on my scalp because that is where the skin produces sebum, sweat, dead skin cells, which trap a lot of buildup and bacteria at the roots. So by simply massaging and cleansing your scalp, you clear away the blocked pores, oil, and buildup that's stiff on the roots, while boosting blood flow to deliver vital oxygen and nutrients needed to grow stronger and healthier hair. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have a lot of heat damage on the ends of my hair. I went a little crazy with a flat iron in November and December of last year, and I really damaged my hair. It hurts my heart so much. And I also know Flaxseed Gel can't repair or fix heat damage because those protein bonds are permanently broken, but it is amazing for managing it while it grows out. And since I've cut out all the heat tools and completely gone natural, I use this gel on my Forcey natural hair because it has an incredible slip for detangling, keeps my ends deeply moisturized with the omega-3s, and helps blend my natural coils with the damaged straight pieces during my twist outs without any harsh, crunchy chemicals. And because the gel is primarily made of water bound by natural plant mucilage, it acts as a massive hydration shot for chronically dry coils, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and plumped after rinsing. The vitamin E in flaxseed seeds acts as a natural antioxidant that soothes down your cuticles along your hair strands. And when rinsed out, it leaves your coils looking highly reflective, shiny, and less frizzy. And unlike store-bought deep conditioners, Flaxseed Gel contains zero silicones, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. This means you get pure moisture without any heavy chemicals weighing down or coating your strands over time. I also love the fact that Flaxseed Gel is a protein-free straightener. Many commercial straightening treatments rely heavily on protein, which can make frizzy hair stiff, dry, and brittle if used too much, also known as protein overload. Flaxseed Gel strengthens your hair using vitamins and fatty acids instead, giving you strong hair without the risk of stiffness. It balances the scalp's pH. Flaxseed Gel helps regulate sebum production on your scalp and balances its natural pH levels. This creates the perfect healthy environment for your hair follicles to grow hair faster. It is super affordable and eco-friendly. A single bag of whole flaxseed costs just a few dollars and can make a dozen batches of gel. Plus, because it is 100% biodegradable and requires no plastic packaging when made at home, it is completely zero waste. The other thing I like about Flaxseed Gel is because it is perfect for layering. Sometimes mixing a leave-in conditioner from one brand and a styling gel from another causes a chemical reaction that leaves white gooey balls in your hair. Flaxseed Gel is completely natural, so it layers beautifully over any leave-in conditioner or oil without balling up. It is also excellent for scalp massages. If you want to have extra gel left over during your routine, you can rub it directly onto your scalp. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film, soothing any tightness from protective hairstyles. And this is just me washing out the flaxseed gel out of my hair. I applied it in smaller sections as you saw, and now I'm making sure that I'm washing it out completely. I wanna say I totally skipped out the conditioner step, but I was using just a little bit where I had a lot of hair, because some parts of my hair has super thick hair and then the back of my head has very thin hair. So yeah, I'm just washing it out, and after washing it out and taking a shower, this is how the hair is looking. It feels nice and soft. You guys, I don't know how to explain to you how moisturized and soft my hair feels right now. It feels so good. And by this time I was really tired. I didn't want to do a lot with my hair, so the protective hairstyle that I did was simple twists, and I wanted my hair to rest, so this is how my hair is gonna be for the whole week. And then I'll come back and show you guys the cute protective hairstyle that I'm gonna put in. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Mwah. Bye!